Come on, guys. Hey, put some. Sorry, guys. I'm apologizing. My damn video. Hello, guys. How are you guys doing? Say hi. Hi. So, magi ramin kam ko beko. Aduga mana sugar. So today I'm gonna be doing a little bit different from the rest of my videos. So nasigi video se transformation video odone transformation habiti aiki blonde wig play bako. Aiki blonde wig to aiki blonde to try to drip samsung drip do try to nimba dubu blonde sang basi samyam so e habu to aiki samji kisyam phaba oide bako. Yamna paba sam oiba duzna Rick's learning the book got to get I know week when I tried to get sim the week I'm a ever got tiny kibane although I had you upagati ying ever got to go video and it's number although video and I'm so let's get started. See brand new see the brushy teddy bears. You see young way I'm no see when it was success. No see that. And thank you for all your supports and love, and I didn't believe that I will get a lot of support from you guys actually, so thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Yang siya hadi mayam na kami macam pero ay video sending number sending ba po hani ba Adudo ang siya mayamna video like amasung subscribe and comment over pagida magtatagatsari hana aduga kamli may kaydagi so thank you hari ko dana ay na hari manasag thank you hari and ko thank you. You might think that I'm a little bit crazy, guys. I'm not crazy. I'm living up in my own reality, so please don't think like that. And if you do think so, I don't care. Thank you. Because you want to care harsh labor. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm always like this, always sarcastic. Okay, so don't take anything serious. Okay. So guys, I will show you the wig. So guys, this is the wig. So that yeah. Wait. I'm sorry. Hello. I say I will put another to be a skin color again. Do upado yam tea by there. Copy malaba YouTube type to my color. No way. That's my updeba. I do am puzzle deba camera. Video that. Hey guys, so a makeup her to Sanjiko. I just want to put some makeup on. Makeup have to see ya. Sorry guys. Yeah. So I'm gonna be using this Tarte concealer just to conceal my under eye. I have some freckles on my under eyes. Guys, I'm so wait, sana ba ang mga hapa I'm not having it. I'm going you guys. I'm telling you. Ayun nga ulit. Basta sa the day to begin it. Kasi I have to do it. I am crazy, you guys. No, I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. I'm not crazy. 西彩特蛮难追踪人的。 makeup habase. I makeup am sabanina I did makeup to ego. More I did makeup am able. No, I makeup dum bronzer I say makeup adum to some blush habchalagi bus karaga and then some contouring so si blush yang pazigo si daisiki ko my si Korean brand base color loin way maniko hide yam soft baby pink soft very soft never always where is it si kara si pull up taigigo I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world not fast I should delay ko 저쪽이네 인터뷰샷 아직까지 비디오 남도는 강다가 아주 되게 guys I'm not gonna lie blush yang pasabi si blush yang pasabi ko so I'm gonna put some sorry guys so cute and ma'am aduga ID mo hapas yung palm saver ka sambru habsi ma'am sambru ay isagi sambru le ko I know like 가라 좀 들어가세요. not this. I feel to be like this. Rom engine size. Loisla abane. Zaim par. But mala bro come to it. Ito matakta katong glossy oy na basigi lip gloss have kigo. Natural glossy kar o yamdi glow oy right bako ado katang lip balm with that in this. If you want to purchase this one, learning batar gadi sige ma-choose layon ko. Hoy noy na team lip color kung bayam hay lip pigmented fazaba mi or gadi labio to go lip machukhari out to go gadi size lip balm get up to ko. Not gonna lie. I'm powder is it? No idea hydra, technique hydra is some powder. How about the hair? Guys, what should I wear? Hey. Hey you. Kaya ba wala kay ka next kay dress to black mug set ke to na guys kay dress like this with this shoes on good morning come on like this. Dress kasi lagi ko 네. 맞나? 이 눈빵을 했습니다. So guys, I'm Siva. So may matang Siva Loisanzarage. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm not sure whether it will be a very nosh video. It will be very nice. I think so. So, momsal에 시메이제 am 파자데바 아두나 이네 탄다버네바. So, 감나수 bye hi. Thank you so much. I love you guys. You know that, right? Thank you, my own. Thank you so much.